So what is up, everybody? It's your boy Jay Harvey coming at you with another video. So today's video is gonna be a snippet. It's gonna be kind of like the intro part of the video. However, this video is not gonna be made until probably about like 3 weeks, probably a month from now. But the good thing for you guys is that it's literally only gonna be like 2 seconds. But for me, it's going to be about a month, but I just wanted to make this because I'm super excited. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going to do a 60K review on my 2019 Toyota Tacoma. I know there's millions and millions of videos out there in regards to the Tacoma. Mine's is completely stock. The only thing I ever did to it was put an LED bar in it, did not wire it up, and put LED plate lights in it. That's the only thing I ever done to it. So now it's getting to that point where I have to actually put new tires on it. So the good thing about it is that I actually just got my tires in. So I'll go a little bit more in detail with that on the next snippet of this video, and when that time comes and getting them installed and everything. So let me give you guys a quick look at the tires, because I'm super excited that they actually came. They just came today. And let me get you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the clip for the delivery inside of this video. So it's going to be after this part. And basically, I'm super excited. So let me show you guys. So these are the tires here. They are the Falcon Wild Peaks All-Terrain for my 2019 Tacoma. I'm super excited. Excuse the trash over there, but I'm super excited for it. I've been wanting these since I laid my eyes on them. They're hella expensive, but I think that they're going to be a very good tire to run, because I've heard a lot of people have a lot of reviews about them. They're highly spoke of. They're highly rated. I had a lot of customers that had them, and they spoke nothing but good of them. So I'm going to get them installed. I'm going to actually go to the Toyota dealership and get them installed, because I like running nitro in my tires. I don't like running air, because I put air in my tires that's currently on my truck, and it leaked out a lot faster when I had a nail in it than it did when I had the nitro in it. So I'm kind of comfortable with the nitro, so I'm gonna go to my local Toyota dealership, get these installed, and when I do that, I'll let you guys know. So again, like I said, this for you guys it's gonna be 2 seconds. For me, it's gonna be like a whole month. So until that time, peace.